Okay. 1:45 there. It's 8:45 here in the evening. So there it's afternoon, right? So ayan, shout out 47 viewers. Ang init. Grabe init. Ayan, 47 viewers. Hello, shout out. Ang init, wala tayong electric fan, guys. Kailangan magpapawis para hindi ako tarang kasutin. Ayan, shout out 44 viewers. 44 viewers! Hello! Hello, hello! So, it's raining here. Okay, warm there, it seems. No, it's just hot here inside of my room. I don't have electric fan or aircon. So yun guys, if you want to join in my Patreon membership, just click the link in the comment section or in the pinned comment section. Patreon membership for my exclusive content. O, live stream lang ako dun guys. Ay, charot. 44 viewers, hello, shout out. Ayan, shout out, 44 viewers. Ang init. Ayan, laki ng tiyan ko guys. Ayan, 44 viewers, hi. 61 viewers, hello, 61. Riza Yilmaz, hello baby Kim Harikasin. See you next time. Hope to work. Take care. Okay. Thank you for visiting here in my live. Shout out to you. Ayan, shout out Riza Yilmaz. Hello baby Kim Harikasin. So what is the meaning of that? What's the meaning of this? Ayan. Peter, bye. Okay, bye-bye. Thank you, thank you. 7 to 8 viewers. Shout out 7 to 8 viewers. I don't have electric fan. So if you want to donate some electric fan, you can send it straight to my PayPal. Yes, guys. I have Patreon membership for my exclusive content, videos, photos. Yan. You can join through my Patreon membership, and also you can message me there. Ang init. Ayan, 89 viewers. Shout out 89 viewers. Oh, it's so hot. It's raining. 70 viewers. Hello, 70 viewers. Shout out 70 viewers. Ayan, shout out 70 viewers. Hello, welcome to my live. Ayan, 64 viewers. Hi. Shout out 64 viewers. I used to be frightened and scared to try. And things were really understand why. Ayan na, shout out na. Welcome to my live. 74 viewers. Aloha. Aloha, aloha. Ayan, shout out na. So, ito na ako, inaantok na ako. So, 1 hour lang tayo guys magla-live. Dahil hindi ko naman kinakala mag-live yun, dahil hindi naman ako monetize. Yan lang. Hi, 61 viewers. Shout out 61 viewers. Ang init. Ang init talaga. Ano ba yan?